What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel and to another video on the Golf. So, in the last video you saw I braced the inside of the car. When I was filming it, that video, I went on to then do this part of the job, which the video was just getting a bit too long, so I've decided to split this one up into two videos. So this video, we're going to be removing the front panel. It is already off because I've already filmed it and I've got to go back and do the intro, so we'll pretend it's not. So what I'm going to do is go around and drill all the spot welds out and do a few choice cuts to remove the panel, see what everything like is behind it, and hopefully it's no worse than we thought behind it. There are a few little patches we know that we need to fix, but let's get this front panel off, see how bad it is as to whether we need to try and get hold of the front inner panel or we can repair it. Hopefully you guys are going to enjoy it, so let's just get straight into it. Let's roll. Removing this front panel. It doesn't actually look too difficult. You've got spot welds down the seams. You've got spot weld here, some spot welds here, down this side as well. There's spot welds there, and then there's spot welds up at the top on both of the bumper openings. And then there are welds, spot welds along here as well. So what we'll do is we'll just make a start. As you can see here, I've got repair patches and things to make for this. Let's make a start on that. So I've got my spot weld drill bit for this again, which is Sealey item. I'll put a link in the description to that as well.
Something, but now I'm waking up beside you and holding you till we forget it all. How could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. You couldn't keep the door shut, and now the frostbite's creeping in. Stone cold since you left me here, so come home. Why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold. Wizard of Oz can undo what I've done. Completely out of luck this time. I'm stuck in reverse. I gotta get away now, but I can't seem to take the lead. Oh baby, how could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. Still, I find myself hoping that you'll find your way back to me. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here, so come home. Why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold. You got me stone cold.
Right, and guys, that's all the spot welds removed from the front of the car. You can see you got them all the way along the front panel, top here and along. I'll go around and show you where they are after. I've now got to jump in the engine bay because we've got some at the bottom here. Now, this would be a hell of a lot easier if it was on the rotisserie to be able to get to the back, but then we wouldn't have been able to get to all of this lot. So it's just one of them jobs that you just have to sort of struggle your way through. I imagine that's one of many that's going to come on this car. So move to the inside and carry on. Right, and guys, there it is, the front panel removed. So I just sort of went around and drilled all the spot welds out, and it came off. It's only spot welded on. So I'll get the camera now, we'll clamp this back on, and I'll take you around and show you how I removed it. So there it is, clamped back in place. We've got behind here we've got some spot welds obviously coming all the way down here. We've got spot welds, some along the front, got them at the top here and here, spot welds here, 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 and then down this side as well, along obviously the middle, and then also we've got them along the bottom seam, and as you can see by them, I've missed a few because this has got the undersealer on, so I couldn't see them. So from the back, it's off of this rail or seam here that we're trying to get. Now in the middle, I could get from this side, but when you got into these corners, you've got all these chassis rails and you can't get in with a drill. So you have to do it from the front. Hopefully that has been an enjoyable video, the first one of me actually doing something to the car. Although we've not done a massive amount, we've achieved something. I've achieved something on my first time of doing it, and it isn't that bad behind me. Yes, there's a bit of rot, but I think it should be salvageable. Obviously my background is joinery and carpentry, mainly things that I did with shop fitting, so counters that went into the likes of Harrods, Selfridges, places like that, perfume counters. So I'm used to working with wood where you've got one chance, you cut it once, if you cut it wrong, you've then got to start again. The beauty of metal, cut it wrong, weld it back on, start again. Hopefully, these patches and things will be doable. As I said, do please comment on the way that I'm doing things or the way that I should be doing things. I don't know what I'm doing, so it is appreciated. I'm winging it and trying my hardest to work it all out. So hopefully it'll all work. So then guys, I think we'll leave that one there. Thank you all ever so much for watching. I do really, really appreciate it. Do like, share, subscribe, click that little bell to get notified when a video comes out. And until next time guys, just enjoy it.